Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial. Now open a new canvas, set a light gradient background, blue and white works well. Add main headlines, grow your business digitally. Use modern fonts like Oswald or Babes New. Add icons representing ads, analytics and social media. Use geometric shapes to structure your layout. Place agency contact details at the bottom. Apply drop shadows to main icons for depth. Adjust brightness with curves. Add book here gradient light behind the headline. Include your agency logo with clean alignment. Export for both print and social media. Your digital marketing poster is now client ready. Thanks for watching.